Good morning, students. Welcome, one and all, for today's online session. Today, we are going to see the new topic from our grammar section. Let's start our today's session. The topic that I have selected for today's online session is types of sentence. We have seen types of sentence in our earlier section, but that types of sentence is according to structure. This is another types of sentence that construct on the way it express the meaning. So the expression wise or meaning wise how sentence can be differ from one to another, that is the main purpose or that is main objective of our today's session. So let's start our today's session, that is types of sentence. As you know, a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. This particular definition we have seen in our earlier session only. That sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. It transmits complete meaningful information. It gives a complete thought. So we can say the example like that: Tom is going to play. So in this particular example, you get this particular words, this particular group of words transcend a complete meaningful information. Tom is going to play. We got a clear idea about what subject had doing. These all things we getting. So that is a kind of sentence. Now, uh, fragment fragment or what we know is the phrase, it not express a complete around the corner, it not gives a complete turn around the corner, what happened, uh, what is in around corner, how it process, these all things we not getting. So that the means of fragment. But in the case of sentence, it gives a complete thought, it expresses a complete meaningful information. So that is a means of sentence. In fragment or what we know the phrase, it's something different because it not gives a complete sense. So according, as I told you, according to its way of expressions, its uses, the using of expressions, the sentence can be differed from one types to another, and they can be classified into these following four types. Let's see. First declarative, second exclamatory, third interrogative, and fourth one is imperative. Declarative, what we know, what we better know, विधानार्थी. Exclamatory, उद्गारार्थी. Interrogative, प्रश्नार्थी. Imperative, आज्ञार्थी. So these are these four types of sentence we have. Let's see in details. A declarative sentence make a statement. Declarative sentence, what is the means of declarative sentence? It make a statement, vidhan, right? It is punctuated by period. It punctuated by period means it has a time period. Means all tense that we comes across, we can go across. These all tense can be classified and can be concluded or then can be contained in this statement. For example, the dog in the neighbor's yard is barking. It's punctuated by a period, right? The dog in neighbor's yard is barking. So that is a means of declarative sentence. Declarative sentence makes a statement. That the thing. Declarative vidhanarthi, it makes statement vidhan, right? Exclamatory. An exclamatory sentence expresses great emotion or excitement. It expresses when we want to express our emotions, our excitement. That time we use the exclamatory sentence. It ends with an exclamation mark. It always ends with exclamation marks. Right here I have written the exclamation mark. So like that it ended with exclamation mark. The house is on fire, that is exclamation. When the speaker want to express his or her own thoughts, feeling, emotions, right? You want to express his excitement, that time we use the exclamatory sentence. The example of exclamatory sentence, let's say another example of what a shame. Oh, how beautiful. So these all are a kinds of, or these all are the examples of exclamatory sentence. Now we move forward to interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks questions. It ends with question, right? It asks questions. It ends with question mark. In exclamatory sentence, it expresses our strong emotions, feelings, excitement. It ends with exclamation mark. An interrogative sentence asks questions and it's end with question mark. Is it raining? The example like that. Is it raining? Interrogative sentence. It's end with question mark. That the thing should be there. What is your name? The another kind of interrogative. What is your name? So it asks a question. Basically, it asks the questions. It is the interrogative. Imperative. An imperative sentence is a command or polite request. Is a command. It is a command or polite request. It ends in a period or exclamation marks. It ends with period or exclamation mark. Basically, it's about a command. It's about a request. Right? Close the door. It's a command. Right? Please be quiet. These all are the command. Right? Please be quiet. Polite request. Command. Close the door. Command. Shut up. Command. Right? Shut the door. Command. Right? Get out from the class. Command. So all the examples of imperative. There should be some kind of command, आज्ञा, काहीतरी आज्ञा असते. That the thing of imperative sentence. So I have written 4 examples. We have to find out whether it should be declarative, exclamatory, interrogative, imperative. Take out the trash. What it should be? Take out the trash. It should be imperative. And one more thing, imperative sentence always begin with main verb, right? Like here, take. In earlier example, we can say clothes, shirt, right? Go. So that kind of things, it always begin with main verb. My house is just around the corner. It is declarative sentence. Can you come after school today? Can you come after school today? Also keep in mind what should be, how the sentence should be ended. Here it ended with question mark, so it should be interrogative sentence. I saw shooting star, exclamation mark. It should be exclamatory. So as like that, the sentence have its own and different meaning altogether. So what the review we have to take? There are 4 types of sentence. Which are the 4 types of sentence? Imperative, interrogative, declarative, exclamative. Exclamative ends with exclamation marks. It expresses strong emotions, excitement. Declarative, it's about a statement. It's punctuated with what? Period, a particular period, and it ended with full stop. Interrogative asks the questions. It ended with question mark. Imperative, it's about command, polite request. It ended with full stop. It's period, right? So that the thing. And what the difference between sentence and fragment? Sentence express a complete thought. Fragment or phrase not complete thought, right? So that the thing should be there. We have to keep it in mind. I have written here 10 examples. You have to find out the types of sentence of these examples. So in a way, I have concluded our today's online session. Uh, I hope you may understand the concept types of sentence according to its way of expression. There are four types of sentence according to its way of expression and uses. Declarative, then we have exclamatory, uh, interrogative and imperative. Declarative, it's mean a statement. Imperative means command, right? Exclamatory means strong emotions, right? And interrogative, question marks. So as like that we have to conclude or wrap up this session. If you have still doubts regarding anything, you just ask me. Just go through exercise and try to identify these types of sentence from the given example. We wrap up this session. Till then, thank you.